Video 986. Let's keep this quick. Okay, we got the source code right here if you want to follow along. Inside the system index, underneath systems simulation, this is the correct order right here, right? So we've moved bomb seek and bomb base into the middle here, right? Geoseek, geobase, bomb seek, bomb base, fad seek, fad base. Why? Because geometry is the first layer, bomb is the second layer, and fada is the third and final layer. So we want some regularity to how we organize things. We put some delta markers here to explain that. Const macros by system. If we go here, we see beneath geobase, we have the bomb seek constants, we have the bomb base constants, and it's above fad seek right here. Okay, data by system, we have underneath geobase here, we have the bomb seek data, and then we have the bomb base data, and then it's above fad seek here. Lastly, the function section. Underneath the geobase function section, we have the bomb seek function section, we have the bomb base function section, and then we have fad seek down here, right? So all we did was shuffle things around. I know that's kind of stupid, but we don't want to change functionality and refactor in one commit, because that's asking for fucking trouble. My name is Kanji Coder, and I am making a game engine from complete scratch. I'm writing server code, I'm writing rendering code, I'm writing I'm writing it all. I'm literally writing it all from complete scratch. I'm writing my own game engine, and I'm making a game. So if you are interested, then you should like and subscribe. Check it out. Look at this. Look at this. We're working on this simulation code right now for the explosion system so we can get these cool chain reactions. Yeah. So my name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine. Like and subscribe.